Top focus days after a clear mandate for the Mahayuti in the Maharashtra Assembly polls, the next CM remains undecided. Let's tell you, last night, Eknath Shinde, Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar, and BJP President JP Nadda met Home Minister Amit Shah in Delhi. The late night meeting, which ended at midnight, failed to reach a consensus, and now outgoing Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has hinted at another meet, which will be held in Mumbai. Now, no decision is likely expected before that meet happens, which is expected today. However, according to sources, Amit Shah also earlier discussed the pros and cons of making Fadnavis CM with senior BJP leader Vinod Tawade. Meanwhile, key portfolios are also being finalized in the state cabinet. The BJP is likely to retain the home and revenue departments, with Ajit Pawar pushing to keep finance. Caretaker Chief Minister Eknath Shinde is demanding to oversee urban development as power sharing talks continue. However, seeing the impressive performance of BJP as compared to its allies, it's unlikely to give away the plum portfolios. Taking that across to Shweta Verma. Shweta, very good morning. Clearly, like we just told our viewers, that there has been no final decision. But the bigger question here would perhaps be, what is taking so long for this suspense to end, concerning the fact that, given right ahead of the polls, like they were confident to win. In that capacity, wasn't this decided as to who would perhaps get that? How did it work right ahead of that? What were sources suggesting, which has now made it even more difficult to come to that consensus, considering the fact that we're looking at, multiple meetings happening, but no firm decision?
Well, a very good morning to you, Nivedna. That's right. In fact, two factors which we see is attributing to why it is taking so long to decide the CM phase for Maharashtra. Point number one, we have seen in earlier times also there were a couple of meetings which were held at Sagar Bungalow, Meghdut, and you talk about Varsha. So in these meetings also the consensus weren't met, and over to which it was decided that obviously they have to move to top brass of BJP leaders in Delhi. So these contradictions, they had their own reservations. You talk about Ajit Pawar, Eknath Shinde, or about Devendra Fadnavis. Carrying their reservation, they moved to Delhi for BJP top brass, where the meeting, as per our sources, it suggests that the meeting lasted around 2 hours, 15 minutes. In that meeting also, we are seeing certain reservations which they had spoken about it, about if we just see the entire thing, it is mostly now CM faces one thing, Nivedna. One can understand, okay, that is going to be from BJP for the obvious reasons, because of the massive mandate what they have obtained in Vidhan Sabha election. Number two is the assignment of the portfolios. That is also playing a vital role why the meeting is being held in Delhi. Here, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar, for that matter, both the political parties, both the important chunk of the alliance are not ready to leave their plush portfolios, over to which the discussion took place for a longer time, whether, urban department is being likely to be given to Eknath Shinde. Likewise, there are certain important portfolios, one should remember. There is home department, there is revenue, there is finance, there is irrigation, agriculture, energies, industries. These are the prime portfolios which all these three political parties, in fact,
Shweta, although you're drawing those imperative points for us, I'd have to interject you. But like you just pointed out, a lot of suspense will continue with those meetings. One can really hope that final decision will come today, that is. And we trust you to keep us ahead with the same.